Crap, I only have like a bee or a wasp moving in. It can be picked up. I'm not really supposed to be using the... There it is. What the hell is that? Something vibrating in the dash. Oh, that's not electrical. It's like a hot, you get out in the car, it's like 122. Max is 120. It's now down to 111. So a hot day, and yeah, fun with let's see, sway bar bushing. Sway bar links claim, but me and two others can't recreate it. You see more. Listen to that go. I don't think that's a whole 400 wasp. I'm sure if it is, I hope it doesn't come out heavy. Sounds like something vibrating. We're going up a hill. I wonder if it's vibration. It's caught like the sway bar bushing. Possibly a strut mount, I think, on the driver's side. So there's definitely still a squeaking. I wouldn't think it's the brakes, but that 240 grit lapping, clover lapping compound on the rotors alone, about a quarter of the rotors, definitely quieted the brakes up for the day. It rained the next day, so I don't know if the rust came back and then mucked it up again or what. But definitely works for deglazing brakes and brake pads. Probably as per Prius chat, I think the whole rotor should be done. So I might go back and do that more meticulously. But for now, I wasn't worried about anything until I heard that sound. Like, man, I gotta document that. What the world? Going up a hill, it doesn't let off the brake. Or let off the brake, let off the gas. Seems like it's vehicle related. Loads. Oh, I wonder if it's like a slight vibration with the strut mounts. Man, that's high frequency, whatever it is.